Gemma Galyaza, it's Mo from San Miguel Beerman. I hear it's your birthday. I hope you have a beautiful day, fantastic day. Take care of yourself. I want to see you at one of the games soon, alright? Take care, God bless.
Hi Tita Gemma Galyaza, gusto ko batiin ang happy 60th birthday and sana more birthdays to come and may your wishes come true on your very special day. Lagi po kayong mag-iingat and may God bless you.
Happy birthday Tita, stay pretty and one more birthday to come. I love you.
Happy 60th birthday, Mami Gemma. Wishing you a day filled with love, laughter, and joy. Your wisdom, kindness, and grace have touched all of our hearts in ways words can fully express. May this special milestone bring you countless blessings and even more beautiful memories. Here's to many more years of health and happiness. We love you. Say happy birthday, Mami Gemma.
Happy birthday, Mami Gemma. Love you.
Happy 60th birthday, Mami Gemma! We love you! Yay!
Yan special may pa-video greetings pa. Happy 60th birthday sa'yo, tita. Love you. 60 ka na. Bilis ang panahon. Wish ko para sa birthday mo ngayong 60 ka na, sana manatili kang malakas, stay healthy, malayo sa sakit, tsaka maraming salamat sa pag-aalaga sa kapatid namin, kay Charlotte. Ayun lang, always be happy, yun lang, para mahaba yung buhay mo, lagi ka lang maging masaya. Yun. Happy birthday ulit. At sana ma-enjoy mo yung araw mo, yung birthday mo. Enjoy mo lang. Yun lang. I love you. Bye-bye.
Hi Tita Gemma. Happy 60th birthday. Enjoy your day and have a good health.
Happy 60th birthday po, Mama Gemma. I just want to extend my prayers for you, and I've known how good parent you are according to Highness. And just want to extend my prayers that may the Lord give you an abundant blessings and long life, as well as keep you away from any kinds of sickness. I just want to greet you happy birthday po, and do what works for you. And tama po kayo, mali ako. Go to your doctor.
Hello! Ganda ng Jones Bridge Park. Ayan o, tol. Ang ganda o. Ayun, yung bridge. Jones Bridge. Ang ganda pasyalan nito, tol. So, mag-relax, mag-unwind. Maganda, tol. Pero bago lahat, pati binakataw ng happy. Para sa tayong senior ngayon, mga pinagsamahan natin ng during younger years natin, for laughter and tears. Ngayon enjoy life na lang. Life is so short, kaya dapat puro smile lang, puro happy lang, tol. Ang ganda tol, para sa gabi. Pero wish ko sa itol, bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay. Maraming pera, at saka thank you tayo sa Lord. Thank you tayo kay Lord na inabot natin kayo itong edad. Nakikita pa tayo, masaya, kahit anong mga pagsubok ang dumating sa atin, at least nakakayanan natin. Thank you talaga tayo sa Lord. Thank you tayo kay Lord. Todo, maraming salamat sa pag-invite mo sa birthday mo. Count me in. At pag may time tayo to, pasyal tayo rito. Pasyalan natin ito na magkasama tayo. Patayin ko rin sa akin si Maring Lenny. Hi Maring Lenny. I miss you. Nami-miss ko yung mga kabataan natin. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Tolso, for inviting me. Happy birthday once again.
Happy 60th birthday, Ate Gemma. Wish you all the best and always good health and long life.
Happy 60th birthday, Ate Gemma. Many more birthdays and blessings to come. I love you and God bless.
Happy birthday, Ate Jem. God bless you always and stay happy.
Hi, Tita Gemma! Happy birthday! More blessings and birthdays to come.
Dasal namin kay Lord, bigyan ka ng malakas sa katawan sa araw-araw at maayos na kalusugan.
Sana lagi kang masaya para mas lalo kang bumata.
We love you!
Hi! Sila Spito, binabati ko ng happy 60th birthday si Mami Gemma Galiana. Happy birthday po sa inyo. Enjoy a special day. Keep safe and God bless. Mwah!
Happy birthday, Tita Gemma!
Ang wish ko para sa iyo ay ngayong birthday mo, 60th birthday mo. Sana maging good health ka at salamat sa pag-aalaga sa kapatid namin bunsong babae. Sana mag-enjoy ka ngayong kaarawan mo. Yun lang.
Long life at saka more blessings to come. Happy birthday ulit, Tita Gemma!
Happy 60th birthday, Mommy Gemma. Thank you sa lahat ng ginawa mo for us. And for me, I remember simula bata ako, up until graduate ako ng elementary, lagi tayong magkasama sa school, sinatid mo ako lagi, and sa bahay. Tapos madalas ako yung kasama mo gumala. Minsan dinadala mo pa ako sa work mo noon, sa pagsasurvey, and lagi mo akong binibilan sa Divisoria o kung saan man yun ng mga candies and paper dolls. So thank you kasi you made my childhood so memorable and fun. And I am praying na mas dumami pa yung birthdays mo na isa-celebrate natin together. And may God bless you more financially, physically, everything, and spiritually and everything. And ayun, I pray na lagi kang healthy and lagi kang safe sa kung kahit nasaan ka. Yan lang. Thank you, Mommy Gemma. Happy birthday.
Happy 60th birthday, Mommy Gemma! We love you!
Ay, na-surprise ka ba, Mami? Happy 60th birthday. Magkatampuhan man tayo, alam ko na alam mo kung gaano ka namin ka-love. And ingatan mo yung sarili mo. We wish you good health kasi gusto ka namin makasama ng matagal. Mabuhay ka hanggang 200 years. Yan ang wish namin. We love you.
Happy birthday po. Wish you good health and more blessings.
Love you.
Love you.